There's a jet fighter on our roof. Just too much to talk. What's happening, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you a quick mod just for under £500, about 600 US, that you can convert your B58 into a bit of a monster. Boom. All right, so you guys have just heard what it sounds like. It sounds pretty good, and that is just from 3 pipes from Scorpion. Again, it's only about £500, just over $600 for the full kit, and it's very simple to install. So we're gonna get this car straight up in the air. We're gonna show you how to fit up these 3 pipes. It's just one cut, 3 pipes link up, and that's it, done. Let's have a little look. Before I throw this car up in the air, I just wanna highlight a couple parts that we fitted last week. This customer came to us last week just to kind of feel the vibe at R44. He came for some double slat front grills, also available in a single slat, all in gloss black mirror covers, and a red start-stop. That was just a quick install that we do here, and obviously he then actually heard another customer's car that had this fitted, liked it, liked the sound of it, and then booked it in straight away. So if you do have any inquiries for any parts, we are opening up our fittings at the minute, so just get in that DM or WhatsApp, whatever it is, get inquiring, and we'll take care of you today. So we're now underneath the car. Let's walk through what we are going to be removing. So first of all is this kind of mid resonator of such. This is slightly bigger on the OPF cars, so it's actually more resonated. So if you have an OPF car and you want to just do a back box mod, honestly, it makes no difference. This is what you need. But yeah, we're going to delete this resonator. We're also deleting this bullet resonator, and we're connecting about here. And this is like the advised place to connect a new back box or a mid section for the 140s and 240s. And of course, this is compatible for both cars. But yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. We've taken this brace off already. If you do have a 2 Series, you will have this brace. We'll have to work around it and remove it. We'll drop the system down, we'll lay the system on top, we'll then cut it, slip it on, put it back on, and voila, we have some sound. Come on. So we're in the drop top. This is a F23, so we're in comfort mode. We've also picked up our FedEx driver, so he's just collecting from the warehouse. He's chilling in the back. We're just gonna give him, he wanted to hear what it sounded like. His missus actually got one of these cars, so he wanted to hear what it sounds like. So let's go through it. So we've got comfort mode, actually in eco mode at the moment. Sounds exactly as it did really. On the downshift, nothing really changed. A little bit meatier, but when it comes into, well, the best is sport, I believe, and then if you put traction off, get those little crackles on the downshifts. Oh yeah. How does that sound? Sounds amazing. Obviously the drop top. Now what we're going to do after a test drive of any exhaust system, we go drive down this lovely road. It's got the most speed bumps in Wembley. So we go drive over it and we try it and listen out for any kind of rattles, any hits when the exhaust pipes are dropping on braces. If you have an F23, is a lot more complicated really installing a midsection, just because you have an extra brace to deal with the weight of the cabriolet. But yeah, let's give it some noise and listen me. Let's get Dylan out of the car and let's hear what it sounds like on a flyby. So let's give it a little bleep. Absolutely no kind of crackles and pops into sport. Lovely. Anyways, like and subscribe, hit that bell button. If you like what you're seeing with the kind of these M-Lite platform, just let us know and we'll just keep them coming. We love them. This is where we came from. We want to get more content on these cars because they are great value for money, especially here in the UK. Anyways, like, subscribe, hit that bell button. We'll see you on the next one. There's a jet fighter on our roof. They give him